If you are delivering with Uber Eats or thinking about signing up, one of the easiest ways to earn extra money in 2025 is through the referral bonus program. So Uber Eats pays existing drivers when they refer a new drivers to their platform, and depending on your city, that bonus can range anywhere from 100 to over $500 once your referral completes a certain number of deliveries. The process is simple. Inside the Uber driver app, you'll find your unique referral code. You can send this to friends, family, or anyone who wants to start driving. Once they sign up using your code and complete the required number of trips within a specific time frame, usually 30 days, you get paid. The person you referred also gets a sign up bonus. Referral requirements vary by city, and so do the payout amounts. Some high demand areas offer big bonuses because Eats needs more drivers on the road. That means your location plays a huge role in how much you can actually earn from referrals. It's also worth checking the app regularly since Uber changes the referral terms often based on driver demand. And if you're actually driving, the best time to refer someone is right before a busy season like holidays, back to school, or when gas prices drop. New drivers are more likely to complete their trips faster during those high volume periods, which means you get your referral bonus sooner. So if you have got friends who are thinking about joining Uber Eats, now is the time to send them your code. It's a simple way to stack extra cash on top of your regular deliveries with zero extra effort on your end. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Uber Eats driver tips, and comment below if you have earned a referral bonus this year or if you plan to. Let's help each other win out here.